got mail.
Hello and welcome back to Sean 47.
Hello. Hi.
Today we are going to do some unboxing. Now, it was a fun day for the mail today. I got several packages, but I'm only going to open one of those packages right now. The others I will save for Mail Monday.
Is there a letter?
Nope, there's not a letter.
But I thought we just got a letter.
No.
We just got a letter.
No, we did not.
We just got a letter. I wonder who it's from.
I'm cutting that out of the video.
No!
Okay, we got an envelope. Got an envelope, but it's not a letter. This is a purchase from Everyday Coppertunity. EC. Okay. And this one, I've been watching the tracking and waiting for this one for 2.5 weeks. This is my Saca Plata wallet. So let's open this EC one first. Now from EC, on his trade day, a couple weeks ago on trade day, I made a small purchase. Now he was looking to trade, but rather than trade, I made him an offer and bought one instead. So, Charlie,
I want to pet the turtle.
Stop petting the turtle.
Lucky doesn't want to be pet right now.
Charlie. So on Everyday Coppertunity's trade day, I bought a coin, which he's apparently packaged very well in here. Now, I, for whatever reason, got it in my head that I was buying a quarter off of him, but he sent me an email later to point out that it wasn't a quarter, it was a half. So, bought a very, very smooth, very well-worn 1902 barber half. There you go, you can have a look, Liam. There you go, try to flip it. There you go, now you gotta focus on it. Flip it and show the other side too. Flip, it's American. You gotta flip American coins, not turn them.
1902.
1902 barber half. You're used to Canadian coins, I know.
Yep.
So that is the barber half that I got from Everyday Coppertunity. And now for the Saca Plata wallet. Now my Saca Plata wallet, I probably would have left with him longer to build up and get bigger, but a couple of weeks ago, what are you doing? I won the end of stream grand prize, which was the Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman.
I'm Batman.
I'm Batman.
Mommy, I'm Batman. You're not Batman.
And I was very excited to win that Batman. I said to Saca Plata, "You think there's enough stuff in my wallet to send it now? Because I really want to have a look at that Batman." And he, of course, replied, "Sure, brother, I'll send it right away." So, here it is. Took 2.5 weeks to get here, but I live in Canada, so international packages can sometimes be quite slow. 2.5 weeks is actually not too bad. Oh, okay. I was thinking there was some kind of paperwork in here, but no, I know what's in this envelope.
What is it?
You will see. Oh, first one I've ever actually held in my hand. One Nevada Goldback.
It's mine now.
That is 1/1000th of a troy ounce of gold.
Very thin.
Well, yeah. 1/1000th of a troy ounce. Oh, and he sent another Saca Plata sticker. Stick that up here. Holographic one. Oh, and a small Saca Plata magnet. Nice. Small Saca Plata magnet. Nice sticker. Let's see if I can get the rest of this open. Wow. Saca Plata packaged this stuff good. Giving my dull knife a workout. Probably can't see it, but here, I'm trying to cut this package open. That's what that noise is. That's my knife trying to cut.
Still gotta sharpen that knife.
Got some bubble wrap over here, Charlie. You want to come play with the bubble wrap? There you go. Keep sitting over there being grumpy.
I see coins.
I see coins too. Can the viewers at home see coins though? Not yet. Gotta get them out of here. Okay. If you're not familiar with Saca Plata, and I don't know why you wouldn't be, because Saca Plata is cool. Hey, don't pop the bubbles yet. Don't pop the bubbles. People won't be able to hear. If you don't know who Saca Plata is, you should. He does auctions every Friday. And they're a lot of fun. And he is a really cool guy. And his channel rocks. You should check it out. Apparently Charlie's turned her silent treatment into a sitting over there popping bubbles to interrupt the sound treatment. I don't know what we did to anger her, but she's taking it out on the bubbles.
Batman!
Now this is the coin I was excited about. Charlie, let me show it.
Batman!
Here, focus, dude. Focus. Okay, the camera does not want to focus. There we go. Batman. And the back of it. Leatherface. $2 face value. Nui 2021. DC Batman.
Batman!
Batman.
Batman!
No, silver! That is an ounce of silver right there.
It's not on.
What?
It's not on camera.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant the camera wasn't on.
No.
I was gonna say, what do you mean it's not on? I haven't pushed anything. Have we not been recording this whole time? I'll put that against the Coke. Okay.
I'll do why not?
And let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, pretty.
Ooh, 2 coins. Thought it was only one there.
This is an 1878 Morgan. There we go. Very nice. Flip her over. Very nice. And in the same flip with that Morgan is a 10th ounce Britannia. Loves me some Britannias. Okay. Set those here. And by the time I do the next video after this, all of these will be put into capsules. And what else have we got here? Ooh. 2016 Libertad. Hooray for boobies! Libertad. There we go. Very nice. Yeah, having fun with those bubbles, Charlie? What else have we got in here? 1889 Morgan. And as you can see, it's got a 5 gram.
Any more bubble wrap?
Oh, where is it on here? 10 gram. Yeah, sorry. And glare here. Got a 1889 Morgan and a 10 gram Geiger in the same flip here. Nice. Oh, it's an 1889 O Morgan. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, these Geigers. I'm always trying to warn people about these Geigers. You should keep them in a Faraday cage so that they can't get a signal out. Because these Geigers, they say they're silver. They're not silver. These are neural net processors from a Terminator.
How dare they?
Yeah, how dare they?
They're neural net processors from a
Liars.
Terminator.
Liars.
They're gonna kill us all.
They're still
No,
delicious.
Voldemort is gonna kill us all.
Look how small
And
this
in another flip here, I have a 1 gram Geiger
He's small.
along with a 10 gram Geiger. Trying to get the focus here.
I want the tiny one.
Getting glare and no focus.
Can I have the teeny
Yes, there we go.
one?
10 gram Geiger and a 1 gram Geiger.
Can I have the teeny one? I want the 1 gram. I want the small one.
And
Can I keep it?
you can't keep
I want
it.
to keep the small one. Okay, I'm keeping it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You can bring it back. I still have to put them in capsules and stuff, so do not open that flip. Don't take them out of that.
I don't even know how.
We'll be careful with it so you don't accidentally take them out then. And then I've got right here, I have,
Oh, I figured out how.
okay, well don't take them out. Let's see if we can get the focus on it.
Figured it out. Look, baby. Mommy.
Focus! Millie, quit banging your dish around. Dog decides to make lots of noise the second we start doing a video. No, almost had it for a second there. Look at this. There we go. Got a couple of Nefertiti's here. And I think these are these 10th ounce as well? I think they're 10th ounce. Or they're either a 10th or a quarter ounce. Let me see. They are. Yeah, 10th ounce. So each of these is 1/10 of an ounce. I've got 2 of them in here. Very nice.
Not popping.
And what else have I got here?
Leon, I need help. Did you take this out of the No.
I'm not even sure what this one is. Is-
I think I have one of these.
There we go. Better focus on
Minute.
that one. I'm not even sure what that coin is.
I have one of these, but it's not
Okay. So I'm not even sure what that coin is. It's one that I remember buying it, but I don't remember what it was. I just remember I saw it and thought it looked interesting, and managed to get it for a pretty good price, I thought. I'll have to,
Any of them?
yeah, I think it's Spanish. I'll have to look it up though. I don't remember. To look it up and see what it is and what it's worth. And a couple of Valcambi 1 grams.
Ooh, that one's cool.
From a Valcambi bar.
There's 2 different ones?
Yeah, it's 2 of them in here. The way they come, you're blocking half the light. But the way they come, they're you buy them in like a big sheet all attached, and then you break them apart and separate them into individual pieces. So this is 2 individual pieces from a big sheet of them. There you go. Okay. Yeah, we call it a Valcambi bar. You buy a big bar of them and then you break them apart to get all the little bars. Nice, eh?
Wait, can I
We'll see later. Okay, we gotta put these all into flips and figure out where they're going. I'll probably share some of them with you guys, the small stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe,
Hit the notification bell.
hit that notification bell, and peace out.
Peace out.
Peace.
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 There you go. Why are you holding a penny?
I don't know.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye.